Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I'm going to try and pick this beautiful 334 M45 that I got from Funkey Monkey. Now this one isn't an easy pick. Got lots of highs with this big gatekeeper down the front, easy to overset. But I'm going to give it a go. The times that I have got it open, it's just done it. I didn't know what I did, and because I've tried multiple picks, multiple tension wrenches, I never know what I can't remember what I've used. So we're going to start again. This time we're going on top of the keyway with a commercial tension wrench that I got from Jake, 1973. Thanks very much, matey. It's come in handy for this one. Top keyway is nice and wide. This fits in really well. Here we go. So this one seems to like medium to light tension, but depending on how long I've been trying to pick it for, and my hand goes numb and I don't know what the tension is. So because of the key, I'm going to go in with my Jason Carlson, my hybrid acrylic and wood. Beautiful pick. So I'm going to go in from the bottom and then try and get them high ones at the back without oversetting or even trying to touch that one at the front. So I'm going to, normally you pick off this ledge, but I'm going to try and sneak in through there without oversetting that middle, that first one. Okay, just picking wood in at the moment. Alright, need to change to my other Jason Carlson. As you can see, a little bit bent, but that's the angle we need to get in. This is the thinner one. Oh yep, that's the one. Okay, just set the last pin. Number 5, I think it is. It's a 5-pinner. Going for number 4 next. 3. Little movement on the core. Ooh, slipped off the pin there. Number 2. Yep, big click. Still don't want to go near number 1, so I just dropped 2. Try number 2 again. No, wants number 1 to be set. Just gently nudge it. Okay, going for number 2 again. Three, 4, 5 again. Everything I can hear, everything dropping inside. So maybe I don't have enough tension. Movement on the core. Counter rotation. I'm still at the back of the lot, playing with just 4 and 5. That set something. That was 4. Going for 3. Little click. Back to 4. Counter on 5. Okay, now I'm just going to go through and give everything a little nudge to see what else wants to be set. Okay, that's 3. Feels like it still needs to be set. Don't forget there's like 4 spools in this. Nice clip. Okay, now I'm gonna touch that number 1 pin. I don't want to go near it. It feels like it's already set. That's 2. Five again. 4. Getting counter rotation. Oh, that was a spool that was set. Lost my counter rotation, so there's just got to be something left. Little nudge on 1, 2 set, 3 set. 4 still needs a little bit more. 5, still 5 at the back. It's so high up. It's such a beefy lock, it's got so much weight to it. Hard to hold. More movement on the core. Another click. Oh, there's big movement on the core and oh, am I even in frame? Sometimes I can get this in minutes, like under 5 minutes. Other times I can be playing with it for an hour and not even get it open. There's another spool set. And I didn't even think about if I got this to gut it. I'd just be happy to pick it. Oh, I haven't even got my gutting stuff out. So if I do pick this, I'd need to do a quick run around and grab my gutting stuff. Banging and crashing in the background is the dog coming in and out of the doggy door. Something left. So number 1. Number 1's giving counter rotation. What? Go with. This does have the bevel pins so that it's easy to overset them. Big movement on the core then. Volcano rotation on 5. Losing my tension wrench. Oh, yes, I got it. Oh, cool as. Oh, very happy with that. Haha. Milestone pick, the 334 M45 from Funkey Monkey, Lockwood, Asa Alloy. This is weighty. Very, very nice. Well, I'm at 12.5 minutes. I don't reckon I can gut this in 3 minutes. It'd take me 3 minutes to find my stuff. So I'll just have to accept that. I'm not going to gut it. There's the key. Alright. Love this lock. Thanks so much, Funkey. This is a very happy picker. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.